You make my heart beat faster. I'll be a sweet disaster. Deep in my palm, I want your love, love, love. Take off your clothes, clothes, clothes. I want your love, love, love. You drink my rose, rose, rose. I want your love.
Right, what's up guys, it's Chris here. So today I went to Seoulsup, which is located in Seoulsup place. So if you go closer in the map, there's a place called Seoulsup, which is Seoul Forest. So if you go to Seoulsup, there are a lot of places to chill and sit and talk, and there are lots of trees to see. So it's definitely one of the places that you can check it out if you like to walk or if you like to chill out and stuff. And then if you zoom back out, there's a place called Seoulsup, which is Seoulsup's nearby road. If you go there, there are lots of places to talk and, sit and talk, have a coffee, and there are places to, just to look around. So right now we're looking at this cafe, looks like a cafe, they have a bunch of stuff. And also if you turn around, there's a Wonder World, its name Wonder World Wedding Studio. It seems like it's closed. I'm just gonna pass. Let's pass. And there are some places that have wonderful bricks. Also lots of cafes around. That's interesting. That kind of sums up the vibe of this place. Like dog, coffee, and beer. I know they sell coffee and beer, but I don't know if they sell dogs or not. Maybe not. And sage, lassie, pole. I don't know what that means. But it seems like they sell some interior stuff, I guess. And then I don't know what that emoji means. Just some kind of emoji. Maybe books. They say it's a book row. So it's books. They sell books, and seems like they sell clothes too. So definitely, if you come to Seoulsup, check out the road that is nearby Seoulsup. Okay, so this was the end of the video. Thank you for seeing the video. I hope you enjoyed. Probably I'll just walk around or skateboard and then try to show the cities, and plus me practicing skateboard and so on. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.